everybody. This is Barbie with Jeannie's Designs. I'm getting ready to show you the cutout for the Pixie bag. This is the bag that we're going to do on the sew along with me on August 29th from 2 to 6 p.m. It's a Saturday, Eastern. I still have a few spots left, so please go sign up. It's more fun for me because I get to see you and talk to you. So I'm pretty excited about it. But if you don't want to do the Pixie, you can still join and sew whatever you want. You know, if you're finishing a project, you can sew that if you don't want to do the Pixie. But this is what I'm going to teach, and I'm going to sew. So I just thought I'd show you the cutout. All right. There is a $20 fee, and that's really because we're going to be doing a ton of giveaways, and it's really just to cover the shipping. Shipping has gotten so out of control, it's hard to absorb that and give things away. So that's the plan. All right. So there are several versions of the Pixie bag. This is actually the one that we're going to do. The one that has 2 zipper pockets in front and a top zipper closure. And I think there's a zipper on the back. I don't remember for sure, actually. Or maybe inside. I haven't made it yet, so we'll see. Okay. She gives really good directions. There's 2 pages of cutting chart. And she gives you the original, the add-on, what all the pieces are. It's really kind of nice. She did a good job. So you get all those pieces as well. Okay. I am doing it out of vinyl, and I'm doing it out of pink and black. I know. Could you get more classic than that? Since we're doing the pieces that have the one that has the 2 zippers in the front, we don't need piece A or B. So I'm putting those aside. Okay. All right. Let me get organized here with all my exteriors and my linings. All right, so piece 1, let me put them in order so I know what I'm telling you. Piece 1, where's piece 2? Oh, 3, okay. So piece 1 is the exterior, and keep in mind this piece is mirrored. So whenever I have a piece that's mirrored, I always highlight it. So the only thing that I do is I double my fabric, and then I put this on top, and then that way I get the mirrored pieces. So here it is right here. You can tell those 2 are mirrored. Okay. Piece 1. And you just need exterior. I'm not doing any interfacing. We'll see. Piece 3 is the center piece, and I'm doing that in black, and this is all black and pink. On the outside is the basket weave. These 2 I got from Shakes Fabric. Never ordered from before. I haven't sewn with it yet, so I don't know. So 1 piece 3 in black. Piece 4 is the top piece, and you just need 1 of those, and I'm doing that in black. Piece 6 is the top piece, and I'm doing that in pink basket weave, and then you need 1 lining. So I'm using pink ripstop from Sew Yours for my lining. It's going to be very lightweight. So 1 exterior and 1 lining for piece 6. Piece 7 are your side pieces. You need 2 exterior and 2 lining mirrored. Okay. So 2 lining, also mirrored. 2 exterior, also mirrored. So I highlighted that piece. Piece 7. And I'm doing that out of black. And then pink for the lining. Piece 8 is the back piece, and there's 1 exterior out of pink and 1 lining out of the ripstop. No, I'm not doing any interfacing. We'll see. Piece 10 is the top, and I need one, it's a kind of an accent piece, one black and one lining. Piece 10, it is not mirrored. Piece 11 is mirrored. I need two lining and 2 exterior mirrored. So I highlighted that. 2 exterior, piece 11, 2 lining, mirrored. Okay. And then the strap connectors, I just cut a piece like this so that I can cut them when I get over there. Then you need your strap connectors, and I did that with my die that I have, and I did those out of pink. Yep. Then you need a strap, and I haven't picked my strap yet, but I think I'm just going to do black. We'll see. So that's all the exterior pieces, and then a zipper end. Yeah. Okay. The lining is piece 2. You need 2 lining. Again, I'm doing pink ripstop. Piece 5 is the, yeah, you only need 1 of those. That's the main lining piece. 1, piece 5. Piece 9 is 2 lining pieces. Where did I put piece 8? Oh, that's in there. So when you have your other pieces, like piece 8, yeah, there's lining pieces. Piece 8, piece 9, piece 10, and piece 11. Yeah, and I just cross mine off as I go. That way I know I've got everything. Okay. Then for hardware, you need some zipper tapes. I got pink. I'm using black matte hardware. Pink with black matte zipper teeth. 1.5 inch square ring. A 1.5 inch swivel clasp. Some D-rings. 1 inch swivel clasps. And then I think you need 5 zipper pulls. Yeah, so I have black matte zipper pulls. And then webbing, of course. And that's all you need. So I don't know how helpful this was because I didn't actually cut anything out, but it's a pretty straightforward cutout. This is the version that we're going to do. We don't use piece A and B. Just FYI, we do not use piece A and B. Okay? Those are the only 2 pieces that we don't use because that's for a different version of the bag. Okay? That's it. That's all there is to it. And then I'm gonna go sew this up, and I'll record it, and that way, if you're coming to the Zoom, you can see the pattern pieces, which all the materials will be on your own, and you need to come prepared with them completed. I mean, not completed, but cut out, and then we'll sew along. All right, let's get started. Thanks for watching. Be sure to do a thumbs up.